Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You need to act now. Stop using the phone to avoid overwriting deleted entries, because deleted records are often recoverable until new data replaces them. First, open iCloud or Google Contacts and check the recently deleted area. Once done, examine any device backups and synced accounts. Next, pull the SIM and inspect it with a second device or use your computer to list contacts. Make sure to note dates of backups so you can pick the most recent restore point. Once you've identified candidate backups, restore or extract them carefully. Restore a full backup only if necessary, because that can overwrite current data, so export contacts first when possible. Use Google Takeout or vCard export for cloud accounts, or mount an iTunes/Finder backup to extract the contacts database. For Android, enable USB debugging and use ADB or a credible backup extractor. For iPhone, prefer an encrypted backup to preserve keychains. Make sure to work on copies of backups so originals remain intact. Now import the recovered vCard or re-enable the restored account and let contacts sync. You should verify names, numbers, and labels right away because sync conflicts can create duplicates. Once done, merge duplicates and correct errors, then re-enable any desired sync settings and back up immediately to prevent future loss. If contacts don't appear, try restoring a different backup or use a reputable forensic recovery tool. Make sure you keep a copy of the problematic backup before attempting
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.